Welcome to this video on IDE and Text Editors. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. In this video, we'll explore what text editors and IDEs are, their key differences, and when to use each tool for software development. A text editor is a software application used to create and edit plain text files without any formatting. Unlike word processors that add formatting like bold, italics, or different fonts, text editors work with raw, unformatted text. This makes them perfect for writing code, configuration files, and scripts. There are many popular text editors available. Notepad is the simplest text editor built into Windows. Vim and Nano are powerful command-line text editors commonly used in Linux and Unix systems. Sublime Text, Atom, and Emacs are advanced text editors with additional features like syntax highlighting and plugins, making them popular among developers. An IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is a comprehensive software suite that combines multiple development tools in one application. Unlike simple text editors, an IDE provides everything a developer needs to write, test, debug, and deploy software, all integrated into a single interface. An IDE consists of 4 core components. First, the code editor provides advanced text editing with syntax highlighting and auto-completion. Second, the debugger allows step-by-step code execution analysis to find and fix errors. Third, the compiler or interpreter is built in for code compilation and execution. Finally, build automation tools help automate the build and deployment process, saving time and reducing errors. Several popular IDEs are widely used in software development. Visual Studio is Microsoft's powerful IDE for .NET and C++ development. IntelliJ IDEA is popular for Java development. Eclipse is an open-source IDE supporting multiple programming languages. PyCharm is specifically designed for Python development. Xcode is Apple's IDE for iOS and macOS application development. Android Studio is Google's official IDE for Android app development. Text editors and IDEs have distinct characteristics. Text editors are lightweight and fast with minimal resource usage. They offer a simple interface and basic editing features, making them ideal for quick tasks. On the other hand, IDEs provide a feature-rich environment with a more complex interface. They offer an all-in-one solution for complete software development, but require higher system resources due to their comprehensive toolset. Choosing between a text editor and an IDE depends on your needs. Use a text editor for quick edits, configuration files, scripting, and lightweight projects where speed and simplicity matter. Use an IDE for large projects, complex debugging sessions, team collaboration, and full development cycles where integrated tools and features provide significant productivity benefits. Understanding these differences helps you select the right tool for your specific development task.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.